450. Thank you for making business. How's your day?
It's okay.
Very good.
Always okay.
Very good. Here it is, guys and girls. Oh, no. 450. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. See that? Not bad. Day 66 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams or not too good to be true promises. Business transactions, business proposals, avoid that. Otherwise, you'll be failed. Don't make your life be miserable made by these foolish people. Okay? Road to 1 million pesos saving challenge. Thank you. Road to 1 million. Road to 1 million. Road to 1 million. Bye for now.